Oh man, so many games, so little time. Alright, let's see if I can find another 500-hour long game to install. Uncharted. Go with that. Hit me with it. And we'll find something else to install. What? Only got like 9 games installed. What the f? PS5 storage already full yet again. I feel your pain, fellow gaming indigents. Well, no more. It's time for a PS5 SSD upgrade. I'm going to show you how to increase your PlayStation 5 storage with the best SSD for PS5. And it's so easy. I'm going to show you how to install your SSD expansion into your PlayStation 5 console blindfolded, strictly for educational and efficiency reasons, completely nothing to do with watch time. For this quest, we'll need the WD Black SN850. This is the 1TB version with heatsink. Heatsink is somewhat optional according to research, but I'd recommend the heatsink version or a custom heatsink for cheaper. Otherwise, you know, things can happen unless you're rich or making content. I wouldn't recommend it. You also need a screwdriver, Phillips standard. We're covered there. A blindfold. I'm just going to use a scarf. That will work. Perfect. Some metal to touch or some anti-static gloves so that you don't completely electrocute yourself or destroy your PlayStation 5, which isn't a good idea since considering how easy they are to find. And Don Thornberry is completely optional. No, but you'll need the blindfold though, but this is optional. Why do I feel like I'm forgetting something? Oh yeah, a PlayStation 5 console. Probably will help with this. Digital or disc version's fine. Here we go. Make sure you've removed all of the things off the PlayStation first, including the stand if you're using that like I was. Now we shall begin. Blindfolded. Hope this works out. Here we go. First we have to do is take off the case. Take the left side here. So you should see the power outlet down to your bottom left and the top side on the side there. PlayStation symbol at the bottom, basically. Push up here and then push. Right, this might be the most difficult bit. Here we go. First part. Screwdriver now. For the expansion slot, this is here. Put the screw here. Down there. There we go. Off. I need to take out the placer. Here. Same screw driver size. Screw. Screw and a placer holder. Placer. Place. I need to go size. Size is down. Put it. Now I can get this stick. WD Black SN850 here. Place as well. Get the screw. Yeah, I think it's in. Yeah, whatever. Yes. Got it. Yes. Yes. Alright. Oh. A bit trickier with the thing inside. I think I've got it there. Got it. I've got it. Get that in place. Cover back on. Don Thornberry's happy. And for me, locking this back in with a push like that with a click, or you can just use the side like that as a knockover of Don Thornberry and push down like that. And that should be our expansion installed. Yes. Let's see if I've done it right. Yes, guys, we done it. We upgraded our storage with SSD storage, WD Black SN850 no less. It's installed correctly, as you can see, because now it's asking us to format. We're gonna do that in a moment, but I want you guys to tell me how long you think it took me to install Blindfolded. I'll link to the full video as well. If you want to see afterwards, get the full receipt because there's a couple of cuts to save us time in the interest of your time. But here, let me know in the comments below how long you think it took me. And also, let me know in the comments if you've actually installed a SSD expansion in your PlayStation 5 with no heatsink, and let me know how it performs, if it's okay, if it's still alive, or if it's busted. Let's actually start the format process and see how this goes. I wonder if it's going to take long, or if I'll have to pause or stop or what have you. That was pretty darn quick. WD MSD is as follows. If you experience problems while playing a game, installing M2 SSD storage, try installing it in console storage. Okay, read speed 6.5 MBS. I think that's good, right? That's good. It's been formatted to change games and install settings, storage, install location, safely remove MSD, turn off 5. Okay, that's all good. Let's get some sound in my ears. Make sure we're getting some audio. Not hearing anything. Oh, I know why. I got it muted. See, that's why you gotta check these things. There we go. Alright. And let's see if all life's problems are solved. Might have been Uncharted the collection I was trying to install. Do that. Change install location. 1 terabyte. Set to always, but yeah, that's fine. Do it. It works. One more thing to do is test performance, and then this video is done. So do the like and subscribe thing if you haven't already. I think I've earned it, right? I'll be back when something interesting happens. Actually, I don't know if we're gonna wait because it's only about 2 hours and it's like 11:19. We'll see. Might be the end of the video though. As you can see, we've got a couple of installs, stroke downloads on the go. A far cry from the message we had before at the start of this video. And even better view. So we will take a look at how much storage remains of all those downloads. As you can see, that's the internal M2 SSD storage. And now this is our new WD Black Edition. I say Black Edition, no, I'm being racist. WD Black SN850. Installed. A bunch of space still available to all those installations. And this is my normal external plug-in USB drive there. For a good measure for the non-PS5 stuff. That's all set to go. Awesomeness. What I think the best to do for us here, guys, instead of waiting for one of these downloads, is to actually demonstrate something like Final Fantasy VII Remake with its resume feature here, resume activity, and see how quickly this loads. When it just kicks in, the Elgato. And then what I'll do is I'll transfer this over to our new MMSD and compare the time. So that's pretty quick. Let's see how it does on our new internal WD Black SN850? SN850. Yeah, that's the one. So in the menu here, we're gonna take this 94.8 gigabytes, move it to our M2 SSD storage. Okay. And I'm not gonna let you sit for all that. Don't worry, I don't know how long it will take. 16 minutes. Wait there, what? 58 seconds and 74, 60. Is it gonna be quite quick? Looks like it's gonna be kind of quite quick. So maybe you'll yeah, I still will pause though, because you know, time is people's attention spans on YouTube ain't no joke, or anywhere else for that matter. TikTok's proof of that. As you can see, it is installed, transferred over, I should say, or installed. We'll go back here, and now let's run it again and see if there is any negative impact or positive impact. Apparently it's meant to be a bit overkill, this SSD for the PlayStation 5. So okay, I felt like that was just as fast, if not faster. So if someone wants to time that, feel free. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop because I've got people in the house sneezing really loud. Let's pick up on the mic, and that's enough. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, check out the extended video of the Blindfolded installation of this SSD expansion thing. And yeah, that's a wrap. I'm gonna let all these download in the background and feel great about the fact that I can finally install more than 9 games on the PlayStation 5. Wow. must be the future of gaming.